Hello YouTube, I want to review and unbox this cheap and good spray gun. So starting with the unboxing here. Yes, you have this unit. I picked it up at Amazon for about $35. Thought a very good price. It has a good power. I did test this unit. You guys will see in a few minutes. Um, yes, it's good. It did work very well for $35. I was quite surprised. I liked a lot the fact that it has a LED. I liked how simple it is to exchange tips and how simple it is to clean. Overall, I'm happy with this unit. $35. It seems to be a very good price. You can adjust the spray patterns right there from kind of a circle to in horizontal or vertical pattern. Very easy. The main unit body, it's right there, so it has place to save your tips. There's different nozzle tips in the back, also with a wrench that it stores right there, so you don't lose anything. I quite had a hard time putting it back together, but that was me, not the unit, as you can see. But yes, so you have two things on top. One, you turn it on, the machine. The other one, it's to turn the LED on. It's easy to clip everything together. The tank has a 1.2 liters capacity, which is very good. The more paint you can hold, the less time you have to refill. You have the manual. You also have this metal needle here to unclog if something happens to the gun. Inside of the tank you will find also a small strap. I didn't even use that yet. And this measuring cup for viscosity. It's important to get the viscosity right for the gun to work properly. I tried very thick paint and it did work very well. If I dilute it a little bit with water, it works even better. You have a better flow. So as you can see, the tank here is pretty large. I really like this one. Those small tanks you gotta be refilling all the time. So this was a big bonus for me. The LED on the gun, I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, it's something that initially I thought, why would you have a LED there? But while you're painting, that LED makes a lot of sense. That's the trigger right there. You have a knob that you can scroll and kind of limited the flow. I didn't get myself to use this a lot, but maybe other people will. This wheel here, as I said, you can change the pattern for the spray. The LED on top. You have, I don't know why they have that kind of a aim, like you're really holding a gun. Weird stuff. But anyway, they have it in there. This is the on and off switch, and the second switch is the light switch for the LED. Quite a nice unit, I gotta be honest. I like this one. I painted several cabinet doors and it worked very well. The finish was a lot better than doing by hand on a roller or anything like that. As you can see, you have plastic parts, but you also have, oh, that's the O-ring. You have all of these metal parts. The needle is metal as well. And easily you can replace those. So putting it together is fairly easy. It was very easy to clean. So here's an example on how to get your paint to the right viscosity. I'm adding water, and then I'm going with this agitator here and mixing the paint. Once you're done mixing, it's time to use the viscosity cup. So insert there, get a full scoop and wait. Manual says it should be about 20 to 45 seconds, and this one it's going fast on twice the speed here, but mine was about 40 seconds and it worked very well. So next clip, I'm gonna show you me testing the gun. So I have it already, the LED is on, as you see, have the second button there to make it on. I'll turn it on, I'll wait you so you can listen. So the rest of this clip here is just going to be me painting these doors. There isn't really a lot of overspray. I painted on my basement and it didn't make a big mess. I really like this spray gun. For $35. I think it really worth the investment. It was easy to clean. Very impressive. I like it. So again, the remaining of this video here is just going to be me painting these doors, so there's nothing much else to talk about it. I'm happy, and I will do more products with this later on. Thank you for watching.